Okay, now we're going to test the MB Quart PVI 269 6x9, same song. I don't know if you can see it. There we go. Still sounds pretty good right there.
I wasn't born rich. Came into this world with my word and my dick. Sick beyond sick. All my screws are loose. Mixing a little kush and something 100 proof. And poof, I'm gone. There's no way to be reaching me. I'm crazy in the clouds and I'm enjoying the scenery, but the pain is still eating me. I'm losing all control. I hear the voices in my head and feel that burning in my soul.
These have a lot more bass though, so you got, if you're gonna crank it, you gotta keep the bass turned down. Okay, here, let's show you. My blood, so you can get up off me. I'm just someone who's not already broken. If you think I'm joking, you won't when you're choking. I'm soaking in the tide of the sins that I've committed. I'm unfixable and people like you will never get it. Pretty darn loud right now. Actually, after raising my voice pretty good, just so you can hear it.
Nuh-uh. You can't handle this. You cannot touch us. MC Hammer this. Sergio Bonaparte. Envy my hammer fist. Nowhere near me, cause I'm the man in this. What you gon' say, man, when we drop it on ya? Dope sick, low clips, then we lock it on ya. Baby scream, all your ladies on my team and easy to see as the shit that you be breathing. Oxygen, dipping, laid back, popping oxycontin. Dump them in the river, water damage, ugly body rotten. Mental case diminished with an aura made of platinum. Got to change the match.
Oh, that was a test. These here sound really good.